Well, hey again, everyone. This is Bob from Bossrox DIY Solar, and in today's video, we're going to be comparing two different balancers. Now, this one here I've had on my system for many years, and it does a so-so job. And I just got a new one in to try out, which is this one right here. And it doesn't really look that much different in size or anything like that. And the wiring harness is pretty much the same. It has the same good thick wires on it. But this one here could possibly do a better job than the other one, so we're going to find out. And right now, we're at a 53 millivolt difference between cells, and we're going to see how long it takes for that to go down to. It'll go down to 5 millivolts is the most it'll balance to. So we'll see how long that takes for it to go down to 5 millivolts, and we're starting to test at 12:15. And we'll come back periodically and see how it's doing, and then once that's over, we'll switch out the balancer and see what kind of difference we get the next day. So stay tuned. Alright guys, here we are 8 hours later, and we started out at 53 millivolt difference in balance. And alright, come on, focus, there we go. Alright, 8 millivolts now, so we're not even down to the tolerable 5 millivolt balance, which is a good balance. And this balancer here, which is based on the Heltec design, is probably a knockoff. I don't think it's a genuine Heltec. Regardless, either one of them are probably both the same. They claim 1 to 2 amp balancing on these boards here. And if that was the case, it should have balanced these batteries within about 15 minutes. So pretty pathetic job with this balancer here. So tomorrow we're going to take this out after the batteries have been charged up, and should be pretty much about the same millivolt range as it was today when we started, about 53 millivolts. And we'll try using this one here, and they're claiming on this one that this is a 3 amp balance. So I'm hoping that this actually lives up to what they're advertising, and if it does, I'm going to replace all these balancers here with one of these. But we'll find out tomorrow whether or not it'll live up to its claim. So stay tuned for the next episode. Alright, here we go with test number 2 with the newer balancer. And let's see what we're starting out with. Alright, 54 millivolts, about the same as it was the other day. And we're starting this test at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so we will see how this does over the day, and we'll get back and see what happens. Stay tuned. Alright, well here we go. It's 6.5 hours later, and we're down to 10 millivolts. So we're at a little bit better reading here than we were on the first one. The first one ran a little bit longer and it was a little bit higher, so this one is doing slightly better, but it's still not very impressive. For something that is claiming that it's a 3 amp balancer, it should have balanced these batteries out in 15 minutes. So again, like everything else the Chinese do, they just lie through their teeth about everything to sell you something. So, but if you're going to use a balancer, this would be the better one to use. It is a little bit faster, and it's about half the price of this one right here. So if you're going to use a balancer, you'll save a whole lot more money buying this than you will this one right here. So there you go. There's a test on the balancers, and there's the results. Hope that helps you out. Thanks for watching.